Now say our text files, we want to convert them into other file formats, for example, PDF formats or Word formats, all right? So how should we do it? Okay, similarly, we can also upload the archive.zip, which we have earlier given it, and then we can just prompt it to convert this into a PDF or Word document. All right, so over here, I will actually upload the same archive file, and I will tell it, again, I will tell it this zip file contains multiple text files. Okay, convert each of them into a Word document. Alright, so again, you extract the contents of the zip file, identify the text files, read the contents, convert each one into a Word document. Alright, again, I'll say yes. Okay, it wants to return me the output as a zip file for easier download. Okay, so you can imagine if let's say you have hundreds of text files and you want to convert them into Word or any other format, how easy will this be? Okay, so I can download it from the sandbox environment. So I'll just download it. Alright, so let me go to downloads and look at the archive. Alright, so freedom. Okay, so I have it here. Alright, so it gives me in a Word document. Okay, and then passive income. Okay, I have it as well. Alright,